We are pleased to show you the 2018 BMW 6 Series. The mission of the BMW 6 Series is to cover lots of road in a hurry while making you look and feel great. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, navigation system, power passenger seat, power liftgate, lane departure warning, backup camera. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.